How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and let's go ahead and talk about the results when it comes to the R6. Now this video is dedicated only to the R6 4K6 video timing to see how long can it continuously record 4K in all the modes, 60 frames per second, 30 and 24. So let's get right down to those results. So the results that I was able to find are the following. As you can see, 4K 60 still remains on normal IPV. Actually, a slight bump at 36 minutes. That's when it started to overheat and shut down. And then also on the 4K 30, 50 minutes, and it started to overheat and it shut down. Now 4K 24, I went all the way to 1 hour and 15 minutes with no overheat due to the fact that the battery ran out. So those are the times. So there's definitely some minor improvements, I would say. But again, this is at room temperature between 68 degrees to 70 degrees, mind you. So now let's switch over to the actual light IPV and let's check out those results. So now with light IPV, it comes out, we can look at that 4K 60 at 50 minutes with overheating, and it shuts down. 4K 30 frames per second, I was not able to experience any overheating, continuous shooting of course, for 1 hour and 12 minutes until the battery died. Then at 4K 24 with light IPV, of course, no overheat at 1 hour and 15 minutes. So there you go. Those are the times that I was able to find under the new firmware update of 1.3.0. And of course, 1080, I'm not going to test it out. And also the 1080 at 120 frames per second, there was no change at all. It still does the same thing. So again, this was just focused on the 4K video frame rates. Okay, and so now I did a side-by-side comparison for the 4K 60 normal IPV and a light IPV 4K 60, and I wanted to see if there were any differences, and actually I could not find any differences between them two. So pretty much look identical to each other. Okay, so basically those were the initial tests, the extra that I did. With more updates, you know, there's going to be more improvements. Now the R5 already has a lot of great improvements, that's what I'm hearing. So we'll definitely want to stay on the lookout for the next firmware update. And again, I will start performing more tests on the R6 and to see if there's any other difference. Now, again, this was all done through room temperature of 68 degrees to 70 degrees. So I'm assuming if I were to go out, I would probably most likely get different results. So there you go, guys. And again, my name is Alex, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you found this informative. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.